At the Africa Aerospace and Defence 2024 event in South Africa, the Chinese company Aviation Industry Corporation of China presented the Z-10ME attack helicopter. This model is an export-enhanced version of the original Z-10 and is designed as a 6-ton, all-weather, multi-purpose medium attack helicopter. The Z-10ME introduces several improvements aimed at optimizing its combat capabilities and overall performance, reflecting China's ongoing efforts to strengthen its presence in the global defense market. The first customer for the Z-10ME is reported to be Pakistan. The development of the Z-10ME was first acknowledged when a model was displayed at the 11th Zhuhai Air Show in November 2016. Since then, it has been showcased at other major defense events, including the Dubai Air Show in 2017 and the 12th Zhuhai Air Show in November 2018, where the final version of the helicopter was officially revealed. The aircraft features a streamlined fuselage, a single rotor with a tail rotor, a tandem cockpit, and a rear 3-point landing gear layout, making it suitable for various operational scenarios. One of the key improvements in the Z-10ME is its upgraded engine. The helicopter now uses the WZ-9G engine, replacing the earlier WZ-9, which boosts power output from 1,250 EP to 1,500 EP. This increase in power is complemented by a redesigned engine inlet with a centrifugal separation sand filter, enhancing the helicopter's performance in sandy and windy environments. Additionally, the exhaust port has been repositioned upwards to reduce the helicopter's infrared signature, utilizing downwash airflow to potentially increase survivability against infrared-guided threats. The Z-10ME also incorporates additional armor around the fuselage and cockpit, providing enhanced protection against small arms fire. It is equipped with countermeasure systems, including infrared/ultraviolet alarms and laser countermeasures, as well as an active infrared jamming system and missile approach warning equipment on its short wings. These features enhance the avionics and fire control systems of the original Z-10, improving the helicopter's situational awareness and defensive capabilities. The Z-10ME is also designed to carry jamming pods for electronic warfare missions. In terms of armament, the Z-10ME features a 23mm cannon and has 4 external hardpoints, supporting a payload capacity of up to 3 tons. This versatile loadout allows it to carry a wide array of weapons, including air-to-ground and anti-tank missiles, air-to-air missiles, gun pods, guided bombs, and small drones. It can accommodate up to 16 anti-tank guided missiles, 4 7-barreled rocket launchers, or 2 32-barreled rocket launcher pods. Additionally, it is compatible with munitions like the GB-2550's guided bombs and 57mm unguided air-to-air rockets. It can also launch Southwest 6 drones and CM-500 and 1XA bombs, further expanding its operational capabilities. The Z-10ME is equipped with a millimeter-wave radar system positioned above the main rotor, designed to enhance its targeting capabilities. This system enables the helicopter to guide long-range anti-tank missiles and other munitions more effectively, providing a significant tactical advantage in combat situations. Chief designer Wu Xiaoming compares the Z-10ME to other helicopters in its class, such as the Russian Ka-52 and Mi-28, the American Apache, and the European Tiger. According to Wu, the Z-10ME competes in terms of maneuverability, combat radius, and multitasking capability. Analysis suggests that the Z-10ME boasts an operational range of 800 kilometers, surpassing the reported 480 kilometers range of the Apache, while also considering power-to-weight ratio and agility. In addition to these features, the Z-10ME was displayed at AAD 2024 with a range of armaments provided by the Chinese company CATIC. Among these armaments are 23mm ammunition. The Z-10ME was presented with two types of 23mm ammunition. The 23-2, a high-explosive incendiary ammunition, offers a muzzle velocity of 720 plus -10 meters per second and includes a fuse with a self-destruction time of 4 to 14 seconds, ensuring controlled detonation. The 23-2 armor-piercing incendiary tracer ammunition is capable of penetrating a 10 millimeters thick steel plate at a 30 degrees angle at 200 meters, adding versatility to the Z-10ME's firepower. GR-5 guided rocket. This guided rocket has an effective range of 2 to 6 kilometers and a hit accuracy of CEP less than equals 2 meters. Equipped with a blast warhead, it has a kill radius of 18 meters. The GR-5's fragment penetration capability allows it to pierce a 6 millimeters thick steel plate at 8 meters, enhancing the helicopter's offensive options. TY-90 air-to-air missile. Designed to engage aerial targets, the TY-90 has a range of 500 to 6,000 meters. Weighing 20 kilograms and measuring 1862 m in length, this missile is suited for helicopters, UAVs, and various aircraft, providing the Z-10ME with significant air combat capabilities. CM-502 kg air-to-ground missile. This missile is designed for air-to-ground engagements, featuring a maximum range of 25 kilometers and a solid rocket motor. It has a blast fragmentation or armor-piercing warhead weighing 12 kilograms. Its guidance system combines MENS with GNSS, offering terminal guidance options through TV, infrared, or laser seekers. FS-70B aerial blast fragmentation rocket. Equipped with a blast fragmentation warhead, this 70mm rocket has a range of 5.5 kilometers when fired at a 13.5 degrees angle. Weighing 14 kilograms, it has a kill radius of 21 meters, making it a potent addition to the helicopter's arsenal. The presentation of these armaments at AAD 2024 alongside the Z-10ME underscores the helicopter's versatility and its potential to carry out a range of missions, from close air support to air-to-air combat. The unveiling of the Z-10ME at AAD 2024 reflects AVIC's focus on expanding its market share in the global defense industry. The helicopter's advanced features, combined with its versatile combat capabilities and extensive armament options, position it as a competitive offering for countries seeking an effective and flexible attack helicopter. With China's continued efforts in enhancing its defense technologies, the Z-10ME is poised for potential proliferation in the international market.